Hi everyone, my name is Srilakshmi. I am from Informatica GCS team. In this video, we'll see how we can subscribe data using REST API in Cloud Integration Hub. This is the agenda for the video. So first we will see how we can create a subscription in Cloud Integration Hub that subscribe data using REST API. Then we will show you how we can set it up in Postman and then followed by demo. So to create a subscription that subscribe data using REST API, we need to go to Cloud Integration Hub page and we need to select the consumption method as consume data with REST API. So there will be two other options, which is consume data using Cloud Integration data integration task, and the second one is consume data using file ingestion task. So select the third option, which is consume data with an API. So once we create that option, once we select this option and give other details, such as topic and application, we can save the subscription, and after saving we can copy this URL which we can use in any REST API client to trigger a subscription. So in this video I'll be showing you how we can set it up in Postman. So in Postman we need to give these details. The first one is authentication. So in this video I'm choosing basic authentication. In this case I need to give IACS username and password. In your case the authentication might be different, so it depends upon your requirement. And coming to the headers, there are two headers which are content type and accept that needs to be set to application/JSON. This is same as a publication as well. And then the URL which we copied from the create subscription page, followed by the body. So body in the Postman or any REST API client for a subscription can be an empty JSON string, because it basically subscribes data which is not subscribed already. So the latest published data which is not subscribed will be consumed by the subscription. So the data, we cannot give the data in the body field. You can just give an empty JSON string as in empty curly brackets. So now we will move on to the demo. So this is the Cloud Integration Hub page in IACS. Let's create a new subscription. Go to new subscription and give the details. Okay, now that I have saved the subscription, I am given these three URLs. The first one is the URL which we need to use in a REST API client to run a subscription, and the second one is a Swagger file for the REST API call, and the third one is a notification URL. So we can give any notification URL at this place, so that whenever there is a newly published data in the staging, a notification URL, a notification will be sent to the notification URL. You can also have the credentials set for it. So let's copy this, and then I'll show you how we can set it up in the Postman. Okay, now I'll show you how to set this up in Postman. So here we need to paste the URL which is copied from the create subscription page. Our subscription name will be seen here. Set up the authorization page, and coming to headers, add these two headers, accept and content type. Both should be set to application/JSON, and then the body. So in the body we can give an empty JSON string. The reason being, when we run a subscription, it will basically consume the unconsumed data from the staging database. So it won't be possible for us to specify the data to be consumed, right? So let's give an empty JSON string. It will be taken. I have already run a publication, and now I have published a couple of rows into the staging database. Now this has created a delayed subscription because the publication is run, so it creates a subscription event also. Now if we run the Postman, let's see if it consumes those two rows. Okay, so now that we see that those two rows were consumed, which were published earlier. Let's see the integration hub page. Refresh. Yeah, so the publication has the consumption status is seen as final, which means the subscription has consumed the two rows that has been published by the publication pub_API. Okay. So thank you for watching our video. Please let us know in case there is any feedback. Thank you.